Okay, Grayling, Michigan. We're gonna head into some mountain bike trails and take a little hike. It's a Friday afternoon. So we're at Hanson Hills, which we're very familiar with. And they have 20 some miles of single track mountain bike trail, cross country skiing. It's a great place. We're 1 mile in. Saw a snake or something under the leaves.
Peaceful, like forward.
Okay, 1.5 miles in, we're gonna turn around, but it's very peaceful out here right now. A lot of birds. So we're gonna venture back. That right over there is a 2-track. Can barely see the marker, but that's one of the cross-country ski trails I groom in the winter. There's a tree down along the trail, so we're using it for a quick seat, take a break. Little water break. Part of the outer loop red trail. I'm thinking it's 12.5 or 13 mile mountain bike loop. A little shelter or something here in the woods. We're approaching the road again. We're getting back near where the car's parked. So we just went down a big downhill, but on the mountain bike, this is always a challenging section. There's a couple big climbs coming up here after a sharp turn. Our truck's right out here. 3 miles. We made it. Thanks for watching.